So welcome back, my dear students, to my channel Civil Knowledge. So today we are going to solve residential building, which we already solved in the long wall and short wall method. Today we will solve the same problem with center line method. Okay. So what are the parameters should be considered first in the center line method? So how we should calculate the tabular column is same. The measurement form, the abstract form is all same, but the method varies. Okay, here what we are doing, we are taking the length of the wall of same type. Okay, same type in the sense what is the width of the wall? Is it 30 centimeter wall, is it 20 centimeter wall, or is it 15 centimeter wall? So we are taking a note on the width. Okay, so if all the walls given in the residential building is 30 centimeter wall, then the problem is very easy. Okay, if it has 20 centimeter wall, if it has 15 centimeter wall, then we should be very careful. Okay, if you have mixed type of walls in a residential building, then we need to take care. Okay, we need to have special attention where at the junctions. Okay, so what is the junction? Where if a wall is there, if another wall just connects it, then there it will form a junction. So how much junctions are there? We need to find out first. Okay. So when we see about this building, okay, we have already know this building. We have already known this building, right? So it will be easy to explain you. See here, in this building we have two types of walls. Okay, because of two types of walls, we can see three types of junctions. So what are they? So first junction is 30 centimeter wall. So 30 centimeter wall connecting with 30 centimeter wall, we can tell. So this is the first junction. Second junction is the same 30 centimeter wall is connecting with the 20 centimeter wall. Correct? Then third one is 20 centimeter wall connecting with 20 centimeter wall. So we can find three types of junctions, means three types. In that, how many junctions we need to find out. Okay, so 30 centimeter wall, 30 centimeter wall, how many junctions it is creating. Okay, 30 centimeter and 20 centimeter wall connecting, and how many junctions they are creating, we need to calculate. So this is our first job whenever we see the residential building. Okay, so about the building, the prototype of the building or the skeleton of the building, and the cross section. So the cross section of the building is already discussed with, okay, in the long wall and short wall method. So what is the tabular column which remains same? It is the deduction part. The deduction part in the DPC, okay, and the deduction part in the superstructure, okay, it will be same, but other than that, all other method means in the same type of wall in the first footing, second footing, either it is excavation, okay, either it is lime concrete in foundation. We are there, we have multiplied, or there we have divided the building into three types or four types, right? So there we have divided the buildings into four types, that is bedroom, drawing room, this both bedroom one type, front veranda and back veranda. Okay, here no need of dividing the buildings again. Okay, here we are taking the count of walls of same type. Okay, so 30 centimeter wall is there, calculate all the 30 centimeter wall. How many 30 centimeter walls are there? Calculate the length of all the 30 centimeter walls. Similarly, calculate the length of all 20 centimeter walls. Okay, after calculating the length, we should calculate what? Junctions. So how many junctions they are forming. Okay, based upon that junctions, we need to subtract. Okay, we need to subtract the junctions. I already told you the formula, that is that we need to half into width of the particular item of work. Okay, I'll tell you whenever we do the problem, you will get to know this all times. Okay, first we will see the example. Estimate by central line method the quantities of the following items of a residential building. So what they have asked: earthwork in excavation, lime concrete, first class brickwork, dam proof course, and also first class brickwork in lime mortar. So in the center line method, what is the first step? We need to calculate the total center length of 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so total center line length of 30 centimeter wall. So all the 30 centimeter walls we need to calculate. See here. Okay, so from here I will mark the 30 centimeter wall first. Okay, so this is the 30 centimeter wall. So this is the 30 centimeter wall. Fine. Now again this is the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so this is the 30 centimeter wall. Other than this, there is no 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so first we need to find out the total length from here to here. What is the length of this? All the total 30 centimeter wall. So how we need to find? Because we already know the lengths, what we are doing. So total center length of the walls of the drawing and left side bedroom. We are not dividing here. Okay, just we are selecting here from this point to this point. What is the total center line length? Okay, so this is what the total center line length is, what here, that is 6 plus 4 is 10, so 10.60. okay, here what is the length? 5.30. okay, then this one 9.60. okay, that is 5 plus 4 is 9.3, 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. This is, you know, okay. And this one short wall is what? 4.80. okay, so 10.60 plus 10.60. so this is also 10.60 and this is also 10.60 plus 5.30 plus 5.30 plus 5.30 plus 9.60 plus 9.60 for both the long walls. Okay, plus this 4.8. this one we need to do. Okay, so first I will start from here. See here. Okay, so 5.30. okay, 5.30, or we can start 10.60, so that confusion shouldn't happen. So what I'm taking, 10.60 plus C plus 5.30, 5.30 plus this one over this one over. Now I'll take this one full, 10.60. next this one plus 5.30. okay, next this one plus again 5.30 plus this one 9.60, 9.60. this one happened. Next this one 9.60. okay, next this one 4.8, 4.8. next this one and this 4.8. okay, if we add all these we are getting how much? That is 65.90. how? See here, this 10.60 is there, right? So 10.60 and 10.60. okay, so 2 into 10.60. okay, then 5.30, 5.30, 5.30. so 3 into 5.30 plus 2, 9.60. so 2 into 9.60 plus this 4.8 also twice, 2.48 twice. So I wanted to show you how they have taken. Okay, don't rely on this formula, because in your mind already there will be, yes, you have divided, but in the exam you should see like the diagram or the residential building as a fresh one. Okay, so 2 into 10.60 plus 3 into 5.30 plus 2 into 9.60 plus 2 into 4.80. So what is the total you are getting? 65.90 meter. So this is the total center line length of the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so now you calculate the junction. Okay, wherever 30 centimeter wall is making junction. Okay, here it is connecting to 30 centimeter wall 1. Okay, so one junction. Okay, the 30 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall 1. Next, you can take it as here 30 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall. This is 2. Okay, next the 30 centimeter wall is connecting here also. This is what? 3. Okay, next 30 centimeter wall is connecting here. It is what? 4. Okay, so here also this is 1, this is not 1. Next here 5. Okay, and here 6. Okay, so these are the junctions where the 30 centimeter wall is connecting with the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so sir, here also we can take no. Here you can't take because here 20 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall. So that junction will differ. Okay, here purely 30 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall. That junction you need to take. Okay, here also one junction will come, but here 20 centimeter wall is there. No, it will be combined. Okay, no problem. Next, similarly, so 6 types of junctions are over, right? So for these 6 is marked here. See, all are marked with the cross mark. You can see it later. Okay, so now we will see. Now we will calculate the total center line length of all the 20 centimeter wall. See here, 20 centimeter wall. What is there? This one. This is 20 centimeter wall, and this one is the 20 centimeter wall. Okay, and here also 20 centimeter wall, here also 20 centimeter wall, here also 20 centimeter wall. So this 20 centimeter wall we need to calculate. Okay, see here they have done center to center length of front wall, we know that is 9.65. Okay, plus center to center length of side wall, so this we know that this center line length we have already calculated. What is that? So 9.65 plus, so this distance we know. Okay, that is 2 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2. That is what? 2.25. 2.25 is for front veranda plus back veranda also you need to consider. Okay, that is same as what? This length is same as front veranda, that is 9.65 plus this one length and this one length. What is that? So it is 2.5. 2.5, upper it is 0.2 by 2, down it is 0.3 by 2, that is nothing but 2.75. 2.75 plus 2 walls are there, no? 2.75. Now see here, compare with this 2.25. Okay, this both 9.65 here and here. Okay, this 2.27, 2.75. Okay, so add them, we will get 27.05. So 27.05 is the total center line length of what? Total center line length of 20 centimeter wall, and 65.90 is the total center line length of 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so I'll write here that is 65.90 and 27.05. So this is for 30 centimeter wall and this is for 20 centimeter wall. Okay, so now we will see the junctions. Okay, so before seeing the junctions, remove it. See here now junctions. So only concentrate on wherever the 20 centimeter wall is there. Okay, so here, 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 and here. So one, how many junctions? So where the 20 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall, we need to calculate that first. Okay, so one, it is connecting with 20 centimeter wall. So two, okay, next three, okay, next four, okay, next here five. Okay, so here the 20 centimeter wall is connecting with 30 centimeter wall. But here, what about here? Here 20 centimeter wall is connecting with 20 centimeter wall. So it is in the book, it is referred as negative marking. See here, the number of junctions 5 is marked with plus. Why? It is 5 junctions are with main wall, that is 30 centimeter wall, and one junction with similar wall is 20 centimeter wall. Okay, so these are the junctions. So once we get the junctions, we can calculate further. Okay, so now what is the next step? We will follow the tabular column. Okay, once the tabular column is ready, see here, tabular column is ready. So what is the item number first one? So earthwork in excavation in foundation. So here first we have to take, first point is what? 30 centimeter wall, you can write like this also, and second one is 20 centimeter wall or wall of main rooms. Okay, wall of verandas. Whenever 30 centimeter wall is there, the what is the junctions? 6 junctions are there. Whenever 20 centimeter walls are there, 5 junctions with the 30 centimeter wall and 1 junction with 20 centimeter wall. You need to keep this in mind. Okay, so first work is what? Earthwork in excavation. So what is the length? We need to calculate the length. So what is the length given? That is 65.90 is the center to center line length. Okay, minus 6. What is the 6? 6 is the number of junctions into, okay, 6 into, what is that? What is the unit of work? Or you can tell half into, or 6 into, what is the unit of work? Unit of work is what? Earthwork. What is the earthwork, right? Now what is the, see here, width of the earthwork? It is 0.90 centimeter. Okay, 90 centimeter only means what? 0.90 centimeter by 2. Okay, or you can also write 65.90 minus half into 6 into 0.9. Okay, so it's also width of the foundation or trench, which we already know. So once we do this, we will get what? 63.20. So 63.20 is the, for all the 30 centimeter wall, it is the length. What is the breadth? That is 0.90 meter only. And what is the height? We already know that 1 meter. Multiply them, you'll get the quantity. That is 56.88 cubic meter quantity of earthwork for 30 centimeter wall. Okay. Similarly, okay. Similarly, now for 20 centimeter wall we are taking. Okay. So for what was the length for 20 centimeter wall? That is 27.05. But here we have two types of junctions. What is that? First junction is for connecting with the 30 centimeter wall. So minus 5 into, okay. So this junction is concerned with the 30 centimeter wall. Keep this in mind. Okay. So for 30 centimeter wall, what is the width of the foundation? That is 0.90. So 0.9 divided by 2 minus minus, and another one is junction is 1. Okay, another junction is 1 into same. Now this 1 is concerned with the 20 centimeter wall, and what is the width of the 20 centimeter wall foundation? That is 0.6. So 0.6 by 2. Okay, so 27.05 minus 5 junctions, that is 0.9 by 2, minus 1 junction with 20 centimeter wall, and that width is 0.6 by 2. So once we are getting 24.50. So breadth is what? For a 20 centimeter wall, it is 0.60. So what is the trench height? That is 0.5. Multiply, you will get the 64.23 cubic meter. That is total. Okay, for only 20 centimeter wall, 7.35 cubic meter work is there for earthwork. Okay, so this is how we do. Just at that level, at that wall type, how many junctions are there? With that junctions, multiply the unit of work, that too half of the unit of work. If it is earthwork, then we have taken 0.9. So if it is lime concrete, so whatever the width of the lime concrete will be there, no, so lime concrete will be same, that is also 0.9 only. Okay, that we need to take. Okay, so this is the for earthwork. So in single step we have got the answer. Okay, similarly for lime concrete we will see. Okay, so for the lime concrete, the center to center length will be same now. So what is that? 65.90. Okay, 65.90, 65.90 minus, how many junctions are there? 6 junctions are there. Okay, that what is the width? 0.9, 0.9 by 2. So this is the answer, 63.20. Width is 0.90 and height is what? 30 centimeter is the height. Height is 30 centimeter is the height, or 0.3 meter is the height. Okay, so multiply them, you will get the 17.06 at the quantity. Okay, now for walls of veranda. Okay, lime concrete for 20 centimeter wall. Lime concrete for 20 centimeter wall. So what is the distance? That is 27.05 is the distance. Okay, minus 5, and this 5 is with concerned with the 30 centimeter wall. Okay, so at the level of 30 centimeter wall. Okay, at the level of 30 centimeters, so here should come like here. Okay, so at this level, what is the, because it is concerned with what? Main wall, that is with concerned with 30 centimeter wall. So at the level of the foundation of this veranda wall, or at the level of the foundation of this 20 centimeter wall, so what is the width of, the foundation in 30 centimeter wall? That is 0.50 centimeter, that is 0.5 by 2. Now again minus 1 is there, this 1 is with 20, concerned with the 20 centimeter wall, so it is 0.6 by 2. 0.6 by 2. So we'll get the answer as 25.50. 25.50. What is the width? 0.60. What is the height of the lime concrete? Depth of the lime concrete, it is 20 centimeter. So 0.2 multiply, you will get the answers. So then you just do the total. 20.12 is the cubic meter. Okay, so in one step only you will get the answers, but you need to subtract the correct junction at that level. Okay, that is very important. So next is our first class brickwork. First class brickwork, see here. Okay, so first class brickwork, see here. So first class brickwork we need to do, first we are doing what? After this lime concrete, we need to do first footing here. Okay, this first footing. So what is the center to center line length? That is 65.90. This 65.90 will not change, it will be there for every step. Okay, 60, that too for 30 centimeter wall. 65.90 minus 6 into what is the width here? 60.6 by 2. So what is that? 64.10. 64.10. So what is the width here? See, 60 centimeter is the width. What is the depth? That is 20 centimeter. That is 0.2. Multiply, you will get the 7.69. Similarly, for second footing, what is the width? 0.50. So 65.90 minus 6 into 0.50 by 2, 64.40. So multiply with the width and the depth is 20 centimeter. You will get the answer. So plinth wall above footing. So 65.90 minus 6 into what is the width? 0.4 by 2. So here is there. What you will get? 64.70. What is the width? 0.40. So what is the plinth height? That is 60 plus 37, 60, 70, 80, 90, 90 centimeter. So 0.9 meter. So multiply, you will get the quantity, that is 23.29. This is for the main walls. For the main walls, only one junction is there, that with each other. Okay. So now we will come with the veranda wall. Okay, now we'll come with the veranda wall. See here. So now what is the veranda wall distance? That is 27.05 minus 5. This is concerned with the 30 centimeter wall. I am explaining you again and again so that you should not forget it. Okay, so this 5 junction is with the 30 centimeter wall and 1 is the junction with the 20 centimeter wall. So here we need to subtract for first footing what is the corresponding level in the first. So for first footing, what is the corresponding level? What is the corresponding level in the 30 centimeter wall? That is 40. Okay, so here also it is 40. So for first footing 0.54 by 2, here also 0.4 by 2. So what you will get? 25.85. Okay, so after this first footing, so we have the plinth is 0.3, but here the 40 centimeter width continues. Okay, so for plinth wall above footing, so what is the 25 point? So 27.05 minus 5 into 0.4 by 2. This 0.4 is this one only. Okay, minus 1 into this 30 centimeter wall, 0.3 by 2. So we'll get the quantity as 25.90. Multiply with the width of the plinth wall above footing in the 20 centimeter wall, that is 0.30. What is the height? That is that 60 plus 10, that is 70.70 meter. So total is 44.93 cubic meter. Okay, so how it came, I am explaining you. So this is what 44.93 cubic meter is the quantity for first class brickwork, including the first footing, second footing of both 30 centimeter wall and 20 centimeter wall. Next, for damp proof course. Okay, so for the damp proof course, whatever the length we have got in the plinth, the same length we are taking. So walls of main rooms, that is 64.70. So if you have doubt, you can see here 64.70. So 64.70, what is the breadth? 0.40. That's it. Multiply 25.88 because it is a meter square quantity. Okay, then veranda pillars. Yes, we have to do this is same as we did in the long wall and short wall method. That is 5 centimeter extra you need to write here. They have for. Okay, 5 centimeter extra you have to write. Okay, then for bathrooms, see here. So these bathrooms are 20 centimeter wall and we have not collected it separately. So see these bathrooms. Okay, so bathroom total 3 walls. Okay, so this is what? This is 1 minute. 2. This is 2.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. Okay, it is 2.20. What is the height from here to here? That is 2.5. Okay, 2.5 plus 0.1 or 2.5 plus 0.2 by 2 here plus 2.5, that is plus 0.3 by 2. Okay, it will be 2.75. Okay, so 2.75 plus 2.75 plus 2.20. here 2.20 plus 2.75. Okay, so this is the length of the three bathrooms. Okay, so 2.20 plus 2 into this is the this length. Okay, plus 2 into 2.75. Okay, in that we need to minus what, the this is for the length of the 30 centimeter wall here. Okay, this is the length of 20 centimeter wall, that is 0.3 by 2. So the length is 7.30, breadth is 0.30, breadth of for the plinth wall. Okay, so multiply, you will get the DPC count, that is 2.19. So add them, you will get the total of 28.67 quantity for the DPC. Okay, then deduct the wall for sills. Okay, as same as I explained you for in the long wall and short wall method. So what was the quantity? 3.91. Okay, so 3.91 is the quantity. So 28.67 minus 3.91, you will getting what? 24.76. Okay, 24.76. Now similarly for first class brickwork. Okay, now similarly for first class brickwork is, so walls of the main room wall is what? 65.90, 65.90 minus 6 into minus 6 into, so what is the width? That is 0.3 by 2. So 65 width is 0.3. How much is the height? 4 meter, we already know. Multiply 78 cubic meter. So for 20 centimeter wall, same 27.05 minus 5 into, this is for, this 5 is for 30 centimeter wall, so 0.3 by 2 minus 1 into 0.2 by 2, so 26.20. So 26.20 into 20.20 meter into 3.05 is the height. I already explained in the section. So 15.98, total is 93.98. Okay, so for that deduct the openings and lintels as explained in the long wall and short wall method. So that is the answer is coming as 27.40. So 93 minus 98 minus 27.40, it is 66.58 cubic meter. Okay, so now the work of calc is there. That's it. Okay, so this was about the center line method. Okay, so let's compare with the other one. Okay, so we are getting the same one or we got different values, we will compare now. Okay, so we will write here. So first we will write this one only. What is that? First class brickwork, that is what? 66.58. 66.58 is what? This is the quantity of that to in meter cube brickwork quantity. Next, your DPC is 24.76 is the meter square unit. Okay. Similarly, for foundation, first class brickwork up to foundation is what? 44.93, and lime concrete is 20.12, and earthwork and excavation is what? 64.23. Okay, so these are the quantities. Now we will verify with the long wall and short wall method. Okay, so here long wall and short wall method. So earthwork, so what is the quantity we have got? 64 point, oh I erased it, okay, no problem. 64.23, yes it is same, 64.23. Next 20.11 is for lime concrete. Okay, should not have removed it, no problem. Okay, next one is 44.95. Okay, next one is 24.76, yes. Next one is 66.59. So what I do is, so I'll take the screenshot of this, okay, and we'll compare. See now, okay. So earthwork in excavation, how much is this? 64.23. Okay, here also 64.23. What is the lime concrete? 20.12, 20.22. So slight difference is there, no problem. Okay, same way, what is the first class brickwork quantity we got? 44.93. You can see here 44.93, here also 44.95, slight difference, no problem. Similarly for damp proof course also 24.76, and for first class brickwork in superstructure is 66.59. Okay, so almost same quantity we are getting from either it is a long wall short wall method or it is central line method. So choose any one depending upon the plan. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Thank you. Have a good day.